Hey everybody, this is Mike with Mountain Weekly News. Bam! I wanted to show you a couple clips of the Spark R&D Surge Big Mountain Splitboard Binding. This location is, I'm not going to be able to tell you that location, but this is one of the best days we had last season. We were out testing a bunch of split boards, the Spark R&D Surge Binding. This thing's burly. It is a big mountain, big man's binding. You know, if you're looking to charge hard, if you ride hard boots, not hard boots per se, but if you like a stiffer snowboard boot, a stiff binding, man, this place is, oh my God, so fun. Thanks to Spark. Yeah, these bindings are just awesome. Very, very reliable. And when it comes to shred and pow and just riding, you know, big terrain, yeah, look at this one. This is sick.
I'm gonna get my GoPro on.
3, 2, dropping.